Pages 112 and 113. Occupations 1. Listen and practice the words.
Accountant, actor, actress, architect, artist, assembler, babysitter, baker, barber, bricklayer, mason, businessman, businesswoman, butcher, carpenter, cashier, chef, cook, child daycare worker, computer software engineer, construction worker, custodian, janitor, customer service representative, data entry clerk, delivery person, dock worker, engineer, factory worker, farmer, firefighter, fisher, food service worker, foreman, gardener, landscaper, garment worker, hairdresser, healthcare aide, healthcare attendant, home health aide, home attendant, homemaker, housekeeper. Pages 114 and 115. Occupations 2. Listen and practice the words.
Journalist, reporter, lawyer, machine operator, mail carrier, letter carrier, manager, manicurist, mechanic, medical assistant, physician assistant, messenger, courier, mover, musician, painter, pharmacist, photographer, pilot, police officer, postal worker, receptionist, repair person, salesperson, sanitation worker, trash collector, secretary, security guard, serviceman, servicewoman, stock clerk, store owner, shopkeeper, supervisor, tailor, teacher, instructor, telemarketer, translator, interpreter, travel agent, truck driver, veterinarian, vet, waiter, server, waitress, server. Welder. Pages 116 and 117. Job skills and activities. Listen and practice the words.
Act. Assemble components. Assist patients. Bake. Build things. Construct things. Clean. Cook. Deliver pizzas. Design buildings. Draw. Drive a truck. File. Fly an airplane. Grow vegetables. Guard buildings. Manage a restaurant. Mow lawns. Operate equipment. Paint. Play the piano. Prepare food. Repair things. Fix things. Sell cars. Serve food. Sew. Sing. Speak Spanish. Supervise people. Take care of elderly people. Take inventory. Teach. Translate. Type. Use a cash register. Wash dishes. Write 118. Job search. Listen and practice.
Types of job ads. Help wanted sign. Job notice. Job announcement. Classified ad. Want ad. Job ad abbreviations. Full-time. Part-time. Available. Hour. Monday through Friday. Evenings. Previous. Experience. Required. Excellent. Job search. Respond to an ad. Request information. Request an interview. Prepare a resume. Dress appropriately. Fill out an application form. Go to an interview. Talk about your skills and qualifications. Talk about your experience. Ask about the salary. Ask about the benefits. Write a thank you note. Get hired. 119. The workplace. Listen and practice the words.
Reception area. Conference room. Mail room. Work area. Office. Supply room. Storage room. Employee lounge. Coat rack. Coat closet. Receptionist. Conference table. Presentation board. Postal scale. Postage meter. Office assistant. Mailbox. Cubicle. Swivel chair. Typewriter. Adding machine. Copier. Photocopier. Paper shredder. Paper cutter. File clerk. File cabinet. Secretary. Computer workstation. Employer. Boss. Administrative assistant. Office manager. Supply cabinet. Storage cabinet. Vending machine. Water cooler. Coffee machine. Message board. Take a message. Give a presentation. Sort the mail. Make copies. File. Type a letter.
Page 121. The factory. Listen and practice the words.
Time clock. Time cards. Locker room. Assembly line. Line. Factory worker. Worker. Workstation. Line supervisor. Quality control supervisor. Machine. Conveyor belt. Warehouse. Packer. Forklift. Freight elevator. Union notice. Suggestion box. Shipping department. Shipping clerk. Hand truck. Dolly. Loading dock. Payroll office. Personnel office. Page 122. The construction site. Listen and practice the words.
Sledgehammer. Pickaxe. Shovel. Wheelbarrow. Jackhammer. Pneumatic drill. Blueprints. Ladder. Tape measure. Tool belt. Trowel. Cement mixer. Cement. Scaffolding. Dump truck. Front-end loader. Crane. Cherry picker. Bulldozer. Backhoe. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete. Pickup truck. Trailer. Drywall. Wood. Lumber. Plywood. Insulation. Wire. Brick. Shingle. Pipe. Girder. Beam. Page 123. Job safety. Listen and practice the words.
Hard hat. helmet, earplugs, goggles, safety vest, safety boots, toe guard, back support, safety earmuffs, hairnet, mask, latex gloves, respirator, safety glasses, flammable, poisonous, corrosive, radioactive, dangerous, hazardous, biohazard, electrical hazard, first aid kit, fire extinguisher, defibrillator, emergency exit.
Page 151. The farm and farm animals. Listen and practice the words.
Farmhouse, farmer, vegetable garden, garden, scarecrow, hay, hired hand, barn, stable, horse, barnyard, turkey, goat, lamb, rooster, pig pen, pig, chicken coop, chicken, hen house, hen, crop, irrigation system, tractor, field, pasture, cow, sheep, orchard, fruit tree, farm worker, alfalfa, corn, cotton, rice, soybeans, wheat. Page 158. Energy, conservation, and the environment. Listen and practice the words.
Sources of energy. Oil, petroleum, natural gas, gas, coal, nuclear energy, solar energy, hydroelectric power, wind, geothermal energy, conservation, recycle, save energy, conserve energy, save water, conserve water, carpool, environmental problems, air pollution, water pollution, hazardous waste, toxic waste, acid rain, radiation, global warming,